Alright, in this quick guide, I'm gonna show you how you can use dual system. If you are not happy with X-Hide, then this phone will give you dual system. Yeah, literally you can create like a new phone for your phone inside the phone. Yeah, let's get started. First, go to a setting and swipe down until you find privacy. Tap on privacy and then you will find dual system. All right, just tap there and then create a second system. This will like access a dual system with different accounts. You can use this system to literally store your private data. All right, click on continue. Now you can draw the pattern, and this is for now second system. Tap next. You need to use a different pattern this time. I'm just going to go with this one and redrawing this. Confirm. If you wanted to use fingerprint, you can use that, but I'm just going to skip for this video and access this second system right now. All right, now you need to unlock. Well, there you go. This is your new, completely new operating system, and now it is loading right now. You can see that this is like literally new operating system that it just created virtually. You can run your phone into your new virtual phone. This is kind of crazy, right? You have like all the factory default stuff going on here right now. If you guys ever wanted to test like sketchy APK files, then this is a place that you guys can go and beam that file and try to install here. And you guys are safe on your main host system. This is not your host system. You still need to log in your Gmail and do everything. This is kind of crazy because this is a budget phone and it lets you give you like literally virtual machine right now. To turn this off, it's really simple. Go to setting, find the privacy tab and go to dual system, and there is like return to main system. Return to main system. There we go. Now you guys are in main system. Creating this second system will use the space. If you wanted to delete, you can tap here and simply delete the second system and press an OK and input your main password, and there you go. You have completely deleted the virtual machine inside your phone, and it's crazy to say it is very useful feature. I would say that I hope you find this video was useful for you on creating virtual environment. Well, I don't know why you guys are using the dual system. Let me know in comment. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.